how are you? It's that time of the year again. And honestly, I'm super late to this video. This definitely should have been posted like a week ago, but I actually just recently got all my stuff from Sephora. I placed like 3 separate orders at Sephora during this VIB sale because I kept finding other things that I wanted, especially on TikTok. And you guys know, Sephora literally never gives sales, so we gotta take that 20% off when we can. And I don't know if you guys are already VIB sale hauled out, like if you've seen enough of them, but I'm gonna bring you one. I'm gonna bring you another one. And I love shopping the VIB sale because I tend to buy products that I wouldn't like normally buy. Like I take advantage of the fact that I save a little bit of money, so sometimes I buy, you know, more luxury brands like Tom Ford. I got a little Tom Ford goodie in here, and you know, stuff like that. But today I have a pretty simple VIB haul. Like I didn't go too crazy on the Chanels and the Gucci's and the YSLs. I toned it down a little bit. And so I'm just gonna show you everything I got. So I'm gonna start off with the palettes I got, and I actually think that these were both really amazing purchases. Like I'm actually really happy I got both of them. I haven't really been buying palettes these days because I'm not gonna lie, I am a natural eyeshadow wearer now. Not that I was ever into crazy bold colorful shit, but I like to keep it neutral. I like sparkle and I love shimmer, but usually I like neutral colors. So I haven't really been dabbling into many palettes. However, you guys know I'm a freaking huge fan of Pat McGrath eyeshadows. They're so damn expensive. So expensive, but so good. The formulas are really nice. She came out with this freaking mega palette, and I already knew, like the second I saw it go up on Sephora, I'm like, that's gonna be $1 million. And it was. It's like 78 bucks, something crazy like that. I forget how much I saved with 20% off, but this is the Mthrshp Mega Celestial Odyssey palette, and it is really stunning. I'm not gonna lie, my heart dropped a little bit to my butthole, like when I opened it, because my green shade was destroyed, like it was completely shattered and it was all over this palette. I was like, oh no baby, don't worry, I'm gonna save you, I'm gonna save you. Oh, I haven't taken this off. I love doing this, it's so satisfying. Look at the size of that mirror, it is freaking humongous. I really love it, and I love the colors in this palette. It's like a natural colorful palette. Does that make sense? Like it's very colorful, but I feel like they're very wearable colors. And I just knew I had to get my hands on this bad boy. I actually did my makeup with it yesterday, and I actually did like a nice like bronzy eye. It was so beautiful. I love these shades. And so far the colors that I've used, I feel like are really good. Like the formula is the classic Pat McGrath formula. Really stunning, really juicy. This palette doesn't really have any of those like insane shimmery glitter shades that are in some of her palettes, but still, good stuff. And then this palette I specifically bought just because my homegirl Serene told me to. Shout out to Swatched and Polished who DM'd me like, Kathleen, you need to pick up this palette at the VIB sale. I just bought it and it is truly stunning, magical, and amazing. And honestly, I wouldn't have bought this if she didn't tell me that. But she is absolutely right. Like this palette looks 10 times more magical in person than it does on the Sephora website. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. Guys, I'm not a cool tone gal, all right? I love me some warm shadows. Give me the oranges, give me the coppers. That's me. But this palette has made me a believer. I haven't even used it more than once. I used it today to like do like the matte parts of my eyes, and it's also like what's on my inner corners. But this palette is literally everything. First of all, let's start off with this packaging. Look at this. Look. Oh. That is beautiful, guys. And then the inside is just so cool. Just so cool. Obviously, I'm gonna be putting up swatches for you guys, but you get so many magical shades in between like a variety of mattes, and they're mainly like cool tone, pinky, gray, purple shades. And like I said, I don't usually wear colors like this, but oh my gosh, every single swatch is absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to play with this even more. The only shade in this palette that I'm like, it gives me the heebie-jeebies is this one in the middle called Love Stone. Something about the little balls is so weird to me. I know that Huda Beauty has been doing that with like a lot of their products, but I love what it is. It's like this dewy, sheer, glossy color that I'm sure is amazing to wear underneath these like other shimmer shades. I'm sure it really makes it pop. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot wait to play around with this. I'm so excited. And I usually don't like marbly eyeshadows like this. Something in my brain just doesn't like that, but these are stunning. These are so stunning. Oh, I really like this. Thank you, Serena. And then I got some more eye stuff. Might as well finish the eye category. And this purchase was 100% inspired by Michaela on TikTok. Like, she's controlling my life now, guys. Every time she shows something, I'm like, I'm gonna buy that. And so I saw her try out these iconic London glazed crayon shadow stick things, and they blew me away on her freaking lid. Everything looks so beautiful on her lid. I was like, I need to have that. I picked up 3 shades. The first time I placed a Sephora order, all of them were sold out except the Goldmine. And then when I went back to buy that rose quartz palette, I saw that they had come back in stock, so I picked up 2 other shades as well. I got 3 colors, in other words. I got Goldmine, Volcanic, and Nectar. I am wearing Volcanic on my eyes right now. This is probably my favorite one. It is so freaking stunning. So you get like an eyeshadow crayon on one side, and you kind of use this as a base. You just rub it all over your lid, blend it out with your finger or a brush, and then you take the other side, which is like the glaze glittery side, and you just swipe it onto your lid, blend it out a little bit. You just see all that magical shimmer. You can layer it, pack it on, do whatever you want with it. It is so nice. I really like this formula. Once it like dries, I feel like it sets and it stays there. It doesn't feel greasy or it doesn't feel like it's moving. I like that it sets, but it's still really easy to blend out. It's not like hard. It's not a dry crayon. It's movable. I really like the formula. And it's just one of those perfect products for a one and done eyeshadow look. Honestly, I just added more to my eyes because I wanted to test out that Huda Beauty palette. But normally I would just throw this on my lid, rub the crayon on my lower lash line, blend it out, and then done. You've got your eyeshadow look and it looks so stunning and beautiful. So yeah, I picked up 3 shades and I'm very happy with them. Iconic London is pretty pricey, but this formula is really nice. I think it's worth it, especially with that 20% off. Let's move on to face. I got 2 products. One of them also inspired by Michaela. I saw her try out the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer, and she actually tried this out because it was another TikToker's holy grail face product. I will put her TikTok here as well. She's a really beautiful girl that like puts 10 layers of foundation on her skin and looks amazing. But Michaela was testing out this product because I believe it was her favorite, and it just looked so beautiful on Michaela. Her skin looked glowy and stunning, like so radiant. I knew I had to check it out. And I really like the fact that it was like an all-in-one tinted moisturizer. So not only is it your skin tint, but it has your SPF in it. There's SPF 25, and it also has your primer in there. So it literally is an all-in-one. And when I was testing this out yesterday, I didn't apply a primer. I just put it on my bare skin, and it looked really beautiful. I liked the coverage. It wasn't too sheer. Like, I feel like it evened out my skin tone. It didn't look splotchy. The coverage was actually very nice. And I picked up mine in the shade Light, by the way. I hear the best way to apply this is with your fingertips, but honestly I used a brush and it worked really well. This is a winner for me. I really like it. I'm still gonna be using it, see how I feel, but so far so good. And then I also picked up the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint Always On Radiant Skin Tint. This is actually what I'm wearing on my skin right now, and this actually surprised me. I don't know why. I've used other Beauty Blender like foundations in the past and I really didn't like them, but I really like this Bounce tint. I feel like my skin looked so beautiful and glowy immediately as I was applying it, and I noticed that it was just so easy to blend. Like, it just blends right into the skin. I picked up the shade Light 5, and honestly, as I started to blend it out, I was like, ooh, it is a little bit too deep for me. But because it is lightweight and a bit sheer, it just blends right into the skin, and I felt like it looked pretty natural. You're supposed to shake it up before you use it, and they recommend you use it with a beauty blender, like with a damp sponge, but honestly, I loved how it looked with a brush. It still looked so radiant and beautiful and truly like skin. Like, I really like the finish of it. Like, at the end, I was like, wow, my face looks so glowy. And yeah, I was already wearing a glowy primer underneath. I was wearing my Smashbox primerizer, but still, it made my skin look so radiant and skin-like. Like, it honestly looked so natural. It blends right into the skin. I don't know how to explain it, but I really liked it. Okay, so this is the point in the haul where I got really ballsy. I said I'm saving 20% going in. I picked up 2 lip products, and they were both very juicy prices. One is from Dior and one is from Tom Ford. The Tom Ford one was another purchase inspired by Michaela. This was actually like the 3rd time I went on to Sephora, like my 3rd Sephora purchase for the sale, because as soon as I saw her show this on her TikTok, I was like, dead. The sparkle, the beauty. Are you guys, I'm putting it up for you right here. Is this not magical? Did you just not like this? Because that was my reaction. I love makeup. But I'm not even gonna lie to you, the reason I bought it, because she's right, like who would spend this much money on a lip balm? No one. But the only reason I bought this, besides the packaging, 100%, because wow, that's beautiful, besides that, she said it felt like nothing on her lips. She said it didn't feel glittery or like gritty. She said it felt smooth. And so I'm very excited to test that. Should I put it on right now? You think it's gonna clash with the glitter on my eyes? Who cares? Oh, you like my little beauty mark? It was a giant pimple 5 seconds ago, but we gave her a disguise. Oh. Actually, probably a bad idea considering my lips are chapped as a motherfucker. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to curse, but holy crap, my lips are chapped. We're gonna try this again. Once I've exfoliated my lips. Yeah, but I mean, it really doesn't feel gritty at all. It's just the shimmer is clinging on to my dead skin. So it's not the most flattering. It's not, but I know it can be. I know it can be, and I know it will be. But yeah, okay, I bought that, and I might as well just throw this on because I want to add a little bit of moisture right now to this. This is the Dior Addict Lip Glow in the shade Bronze. These things have been around for a million years. I have beige, but I wanted to buy bronze because it was like the newer color. Like it said new on it. I don't know how new this is. Has bronze been around for a while? Whatever, I wanted to check it out. And honestly, I thought this was gonna be a little bit more bronzy, but it's literally a sheer peach. Like there's nothing bronze about this. It's peach. But it's nice. Like I like sheer peach. I was just like expecting something else, but I like it. My lips are so chapped. There's like a piece of skin just like sticking out and like stabbing me. Oh, to be literally super dry. I don't know. I do what I can. Okay, so we're almost done. Bear with me. I know we've been here a hot minute. I picked up a little tiny version of this face mask because I didn't want to invest in the full size just in case I didn't like it. This is the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. And I am a biatch who depends, who relies on reviews, and there were so many amazing, really positive reviews about this face mask, and I've been wanting something to just like go in there and declog the absolute crap out of my pores. So it says it intensely purifies to minimize pores, and it's gonna clean all that good stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, it says it's for normal to oily skin, and I'm dry as hell, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. I got a hair product. I don't know what it was about this. I think the packaging made me want to buy it because even though I love products like this, I know myself and I'm so lazy. Oh, I thought that was like my hair sticking out. No, it's just my dead plant. I'm so lazy. And like, how often am I gonna use this? Okay, so this is a Serene Scalp Thickening Treatment Spray from Oribe. Every time I say his name like that, people are like, it's Oribe. I promise you. It's Oribe. But it says high density at your fingertips. Our powerful treatment for thinning hair is proven to leave hair feeling thicker, fuller, and healthier. And I have a lot of hair, it's just very thin. And I've tried a few treatments, like oil treatments and stuff like that, but I decided to give this a try and see how committed I can be to this product. This ultra lightweight formula instantly plumps hair at the root while creating denser looking strands over the course of 3 months. All right, I gotta do this for 3 months. I can do it. Oh, if I don't break it. This is what it looks like. How adorable is this? I love pink. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, and then last but not least, I got 2 scents, 2 little fragrances, 2 little roller balls. I got the Valentino Donna Born in Roma spray. Let me tell you something. Why the hell Valentino would discontinue the original Valentino Donna, I don't understand. I really don't understand. Let me tell you, the original Valentino Donna is 80 times better than this Born in Roma one, okay? 80 times better. This one's really good, like really, really good. Like it smells phenomenal. It really does, it smells wonderful. But the original, oh, nothing comes close to that. It's like, to me, one of my top 5, and of course, as usual, they discontinue my favorite perfumes, and that one, you cannot get it anymore. So this is as good as it's gonna get for me, okay? Born in Roma. And if you've never tried the original, then you won't be heartbroken and you'll just discover something lovely. And then this I had not tried. I was sitting on my cardigan thing. I really wanted to test this out because I love the scent of oranges, like orange peel, like yummy oranges, especially in the summer. I know we're not in the summer, but hey, there was a sale going on. This is the Nest perfume oil called Seville Orange? I don't know. I was gonna say, I hope I'm saying that right, but I'm definitely not. I mainly got it because it was a perfume oil, and I love perfume oils, especially like right here, and they just last all day. And this is so freaking yummy. This is literally orange zest, like pure orange peel, orange zest, like natural oranges. It smells so real. If you're not into that scent, you're gonna hate this because it's just strictly oranges. And I thought it would be nice to like mix in with other fragrances in the summer, like here on my wrist, and then spray something on top just to make it last even longer, because perfume oils last a million years, and I love Nest fragrances. So I got that. I mean, I'm enjoying it. I haven't used it yet, but it smells good. And yeah, that's everything I got in the haul, in the sale. I didn't want to go too crazy this time, although I spent quite a bit of money. I think I saved like over $100, which is nice, so yeah. Next time there's a Sephora VIB sale, I want to do like a recommendations video first, because I think that'll be helpful for us, especially if you guys can recommend stuff to me before I buy it. But yeah, that is everything I got. I'm really enjoying the stuff so far. I'm so excited. I think I got some good purchases. Leave me a comment down below what you got during the VIB sale. Did you discover some good hidden gems? Let me know in the comments below, and maybe I'll check them out. But yeah guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.